Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. If customers want to automate and simplify the deployment of one or more new Cisco Catalyst switches, which feature should they use? Option A. Cisco Smart Install. Option B. Cisco Smart Deploy. Option C. Cisco Auto Deploy. Option D. Cisco Auto Config. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, Cisco Smart Install. Question 2. When Cisco Catalyst 3850 switches are implemented in a stack configuration, which command is used to verify the role of each switch in the stack? And what are the two roles supported? Option A. Show switch stack role. Active, standby. Option B. Show switch detail. Active, standby. Option C. Show switch member. Master, member. Option D. Show stack detail. Master, member. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B, show switch detail, active, standby. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.